Manokano ina achiel kachiel nyakurongo juanko ya kachud bura ma Westlands County ma Nairobi kama ogai marazimio la umoja wan Kenya Alliance Raila Odinga au bagero mokanyo kamoro ma jotendinde kachiel gi kuom josiasa ne nyasi mabende jokanyo kochiwo kombe maromo 1,000 wadhi mbele gi weche manyien tere nyaka county ma Homa Bay. Chenro mar Sidayanga nede mag suna piny owacho ka okale bad migawo mar thieth dhi nyime gi sani ka nyasi no bagi lab tuke mandiru e kar chung bura marangwe. Piny owacho geto pogo nede milion 15 e counties 22 ma oseyangi ni tuo mar malaria ng'enye. Chenro tele gi jagoro mongire migawo mar thieth Mary Mudhoni ma en chenro ma piny owacho koro nitiere godo mar jiwo lwenj kedo gi tuo mar malaria e gwenge mopogore Thurka county ma Homa Bay biro nede gana 841 atire achiel kachiel nyaka county ma Homa Bay wawinje kaka nyasi no dhi mbele nyakura mgajo.
Because even the planning, the budgeting, the health budgets go up. Therefore, tuachane na hiyo maneno, prevent, promote, and do what? Protect. Today marks the launch of a unique campaign that addresses previous challenges of efficiency and accountability by utilizing an end-to-end digitalized process. This is in line with the recently launched Universal Healthcare Coverage Program anchored on the 4 pillars, namely the digital health, the human resources for health, the healthcare financing, and commodity security. We have seen in the recent past, in the last 2 or 3 weeks, His Excellency the President assented to bills that became law, 4 of them, and one of them was Digital Health Act. And in this Digital Health Act, I can tell you, Your Excellency, it is out of that we have been able to adopt the same. And these nets are going to be issued through the Digimol platform. The households are already registered by the CHPs, the community health promoters. Habari yenu? Hao ndio wameandikisha the households and the village elders. The system allocated nets to each household as into 1:2 members of the household. And the household heads will produce their ID for identification during collection at the nets at the nearest distribution posts. Again, the CHP will dial *538 and key in the ID number of the head of the household. And there, the CHP will see details of the beneficiary in that household and number of nets allocated and issue them out. So, kila kitu iko wapi? Kwa gadget. Hakuna ile maneno tunaenda nyumba ya tent, tunaanza kusema mimi ndio niko hapo. Hapana, you are registered in the household. And the CHP will ask for the identity card of the head of the household. And then a short message will automatically be sent to the beneficiary showing the number of nets issued. Just like the county commissioner has said, yeye atabandika majina ya wale watu beneficiaries wote kwa chiefs. Wao unaenda hapo, kama hukupata net, unarudi unauliza net yangu iko wapi. That is the transparency that we are having this time round, and I am more than confident that we may never have challenges again in the distribution of nets in this country. Under this program,